Hey everyone, welcome to Droid Maze. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export your Notion document into PDF and then share it with your friends, family, colleagues, basically everyone. So let's get started. First of all, open Notion app and then wait for it. Once your Notion document is loaded, just click on this three dot menu, scroll a bit, and then go to export. Now choose export format as PDF, choose the page format and then tap on export. It will start exporting. Just wait for it and then copy the link. Once it is copied, close Notion, go to Chrome, open this link, and it will start downloading the PDF. Now you can share this PDF with any of your friends, family, whoever you want to share. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, then please do subscribe and read our articles on our website droidmaze.com. Thanks again.